Okay, so right now, you know, I'm kind of texting my friend Isaac. You see his name with that little heart right there, and then his sexy picture. Yeah.
Can't see his name.
You didn't?
No.
There.
Let's see. There we go.
He is so cute. Anyways, I hope you watch these. I hope we could meet each other someday. Hopefully
Again.
come back. It's gonna be there Sunday.
That'll make a cute couple together.
Hey, remember, I'm watching you. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not a creep like that. But yes, yeah. I'm gonna cry if we never get to see each other. Cause you're super adorable. Okay. Yeah.
Love you.
Still eating my Skittles.